Hello and welcome back for another clarinet tutorial from Nottingham Music Excellence. My name's Chris Allison and I'm going to play this lovely piece from the Grade 1 clarinet book for ABRSM, and it's called Coffee at 10 by Joseph Atkins. Hope you enjoy the piece. Here we go. Okay, so you've heard the music now. Let's say a few words about some of the details in the piece and what you need to do to make this sound really awesome. Here we go. So first, let's just talk about the tempo of the piece, the style of the piece. So it's marked as a swing piece. So it's got a bit of a jazzy sort of feel to it. Let's just have a listen to the piano backing track here. So straight away you can hear the jazz quavers there, you can hear the swing in there, and you've got a really clear da do da do do da do do da do do da. So I think you know, if the piano's laying down that pulse really clearly there, then you need to lay down your pulse really clearly. And I think one of the key elements of this is the rock steady sort of pulse, isn't it? So really nice and short, crisp staccato notes. Bap dap dap do dap. And then end that with the do dap, and be really clear with the accent there, and leave the D. Well, obviously you've got the jazz rhythm to it, but leave the D as late as you dare and just phrase off nicely. So remember that D there, you're not going to actually tongue the start of that note, but you're going to tongue off the end of that note. I hope that's clear. So you're going to phrase off that note. So a nice, happy, sort of jolly tune there. I think this is a great piece for Grade 1. Let's have a look at some of the other details. And moving on to bar 7, slightly different sort of phrasing detail here. I think this can sound, this is perhaps what I would call like the easygoing bit. It says easygoing swing at the start, doesn't it? And this bit, I think you can make this sound easygoing. So just repeat that again, so it's a slightly softer sound. And then you've got that C sharp to dig into again, you're coming back to the accent. So da 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 do da. And then you're back on the main tune again. Just don't forget the F sharp there. Da, 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 dum. So F sharp to G there. What else have we got going on? It's kind of the same tune but turned on its head, isn't it? Going down. And then on the last line. Okay, this is interesting. So we've got a slight change in dynamics here. So we've got the piano first, haven't we? But then, watch, don't squeak when you go to that A. So a common thing when you hear beginners play, it's a bit squeaky around those throat notes. And then finish it with a nice tidy. So a great piece, this one. If you fancy something that's got a little bit more swing to it and it's got a nice happy character to it, this could be the one for you. So certainly one of the main challenges of this piece, just to summarise again, is try and demonstrate a really clear rock steady tempo and just be really clear about the phrasing, the staccato notes, and just make sure you understand how you're going to phrase those swing notes. So you're not going to kind of go, we're not playing even quavers anymore, it's more kind of and perhaps a bit more advanced to mention, but I would kind of use lighter tonguing just to make it sound more easy going, as they've put in the title of the piece. So I kind of don't want to play it like, you know, it sounds too like military, doesn't it? It sounds too precise. So I want to make it sound a bit more, you know, a bit more jazzy, bluesy, whatever you want to call it. So just be, I tend to use a little bit softer phrasing. So I think that's all I'm going to say on the tutorial side of things. I think that's the detail mostly covered. If you've got any more questions, of course, you can put those in the comments section, and click that like button if that's something you do when you watch YouTube videos, you know. Any more questions, you can contact me on my website. I do lessons here in Nottingham at my home, and I also do Zoom lessons as well. But I think that's it for the detail. Now try and play along with the piano track yourself. See if you can get it really tidy. I have uploaded what I call like the steady version as well, a slightly steady version. So you've got the piano track that I played along with at a steady speed, and then you've also got a slightly slower one if you're in the early stages of playing and you want something a little bit slower. You can have a go at that one. So choose the one that suits you most, have a go with that and see if you can get it really accurate. So best of luck for grade 1. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.